If you join the Future Learn Irish Conversation class in Quizlet, you get my flashcards that are taken primarily from Future Learn, but grammar is from multiple sources. It's there by the week in Future Learn up through week 5. And we have some grammar files here that you can pull up. Look at verbs. So you could essentially learn your verbs right there. And the one thing I forgot to say is Quizlet makes me approve each person to get access to the Quizlet file. So there's a sort of a delay there. I would rather it be automatic, but I don't know how to make that happen.